In this video, I'll show you how to add Solana to MetaMask so you can manage SOL alongside your other crypto. First, open your MetaMask app or browser extension and log in. Make sure it's updated to the latest version from the App Store, Google Play, or your browser's extension store because Solana support is only available on newer MetaMask versions. At the top of MetaMask, tap or click the network selector. This is where you usually switch between Ethereum, BNB chain, and other networks. Look for Solana in the list. If you see it, simply select Solana to add and activate it in your wallet view. If Solana doesn't appear, open the Network Catalog or Add Network option inside MetaMask, find Solana, and confirm to add it. Next, MetaMask will let you create a new Solana account or import an existing one using your recovery phrase. Once that's done, you can copy your Solana address and deposit SOL from an exchange or another wallet. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.